Welcome to our journey of healing and renewal, where we are going to explore the profound and restorative power of nature. In a world often filled with hustle and bustle, let us take a moment to immerse ourselves in the tranquil of the natural world. The healing journey begins as we step into canvas painted by nature. As our feet touch the earth, we ground ourselves in the present moment, shunning the worries of past and the uncertainties of the future. Like the flowing river, time moves effortlessly, reminding us to surrender to the natural rhythm of life. The gentleness of murmur of water becomes a melody that soothes our mind and renews our spirits. Nature's healing canvas in vast and diverse, from the towering mountains that invites us to reach new heights to the endless expanse of oceans that whispers tales of adventure. Each landscape offers a unique farm for our souls. Amidst the delicate petals of flowers, we find a lesson in resilience. Just as these blooms flourish despite adversity, we too can find strength within ourselves to preserve. The act of nurturing a garden reflects the nurturing of our own well being as we care for the earth. We also nurture our own growth, reminding us that our connection with the nature is a symbolic dance of care and regeneration. Seasons changes, and with each turn of wheel, we are reminded of the impermanence of life. Yet within this cycle, we find beauty, renewal, and profound sense of connection to universe. The forest, with its ancient wisdom, teaches us about interconnectedness. Trees stand as sentinels, sharing stories through their roots, reminding us that we too are part of a web of life. Gatherings around campfires echo the traditions of our own ancestors as we share stories, laughter, and warmth over companionship. We are reminded that human connection is another facet of nature's hating embrace. Beneath the starlit canopy, we find a canvas pointed by the celestial hands. The vastness of the universe whispers mysteries that humbly reminds us of our place in the cosmos. As the mist gently lifts from the forest floor, we are reminded that nature's healing power extends beyond the physical realm. It reaches into the depths of our emotions, offering solace and a refuge of our own hearts. Just as the morning sun disperses the mist, nature's presence has the remarkable ability to dissolve the fog of our worries, leaving us with a sense of clarity and calm. The rhythm and flow of tide teaches us the art of letting go. Just as the waves return to the sea carrying away debris, so can we release the burdens that weigh us down. Standing by the shores, we witness the eternal dance of water and land, remind us that life's challenges are but a part of the grand choreography of existence. The delicate dance of butterflies unveils nature's ability to transform and inspire. Just as the caterpillar undergoes a metamorphosis, we too have the capacity to evolve, to shed old patterns, and emerge as something more vibrant and beautiful than we once were. The sunrise is a daily reminder of life's cylindrical nature. No matter how dark the night may seem, a new dawn arrives, gifting us with a fresh start. Like a river's winding course, life is filled with unexpected turns. Sometimes we may encounter rapids that challenges our course, and oftentimes we drift through calm waters. Yet it is precisely these twists and turns that mold our dedicate shaping us into individuals with resilience and depth. As we explore nature's healing power, let us not forget our responsibility as stewards of earth. Just as the nature nurtures us, we too can give back by caring of our own planet. By engaging in acts of conservation, we strengthen our connection to the natural world, fostering a sense of purpose and belonging. As we conclude this journey into nature's healing power, remember that the waterfalls cascade mirrors the flow of life itself, a continuous stream of experience, emotions, and moments. Nature, with its boundless beauty and wisdom, stands us as a steadfast companion on this journey, offering us solace, renewal, and a structure to call home. Thank you for embarrassing on this exploration with us. May you carry the essence of nature's healing power with you, finding comfort in its embrace whenever you seek respite from the world's demand. Until we meet again, may your day be touched by the tranquility and wonder of the natural world. Khuda Hafiz.